What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Delicious. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy, and we are really enjoying these coastal areas and communities. There's so many cool, coastal towns that we get to explore in and out of, adventure outdoor days, too.
Yeah, we get to share all this stuff with Cade, and it's part of his schooling. And so there's lots of marine life and lots of museums built around that kind of thing. It's fun for us. It's educational for him.
And those long driving days and walking around towns definitely get us a little bit hungry.
Yes, and so when that happens, quick snacks are always our favorite snacks. So today I'm actually taking us back to childhood a little bit, and I'm going to be making some Lil Smokie Corndogs.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
If you've never had corn dogs using Lil Smokies, you are in for a treat. But these will come a little bit later. The first thing we have to do is build our batter for our corn dogs. Our first ingredient is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Our second ingredient is 2 cups of cornmeal. We've got 4 tablespoons of sugar. We've got 4 tablespoons of baking powder. And then we've got some flavorful spices. We've got some salt, we've got some slap ya mama, we've got garlic powder, and we've got some chili powder. All in the pool. Next we've got 2 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we've got 2.5 cups of buttermilk. This is a double recipe of this batter because I'm using 2 packages of Little Smokies. But you can definitely half it if you don't need to make as many. Math.
Is that dude math?
Yeah, it's definitely on the thicker side. Wouldn't hurt to be a little more fluid. All right, well, this is what we got. This is what we're going with. Now that we've got our batter ready, it's time to set up our Little Smokies for deep frying. So basically I've got these little hors d'oeuvre sticks, and I'm going to stick it in the sausage like that. Rinse and repeat a lot. You want to make sure that the Little Smokie sausages are nice and dry before we dip them in the batter, because that'll help the batter to stick. And even though our batter is super thick, I don't think it's going to have any problem sticking. We've got our oil set to 375. So now we've got a whole bunch of them staged. Get all the dogs in the pool. They go quick.
Yeah, doggy.
So don't go anywhere when you got them in the oil. So just going to pull these out, put them on a piece of paper towel to drain. And then we're going to do this over and over and over and over and over again until we have all of our corn dogs ready. So the reason we're using Little Smokies is because they have closed ends. If we were to use Vienna sausages, we would have open ends, and that open end tends to flare out or kind of blow up in the hot oil. Just take me back to the carnival days.
I was thinking that earlier.
State fair.
Yep.
We've got our next batch ready here. I think we're actually ready to build
To plate them up.
plate. All right, typically if you go with mustard on corn dogs, maybe ketchup, but I'm a barbecue sauce kind of guy. So we're going to use Kinder's barbecue sauce as our dipping sauce.
These look awesome.
They look fantastic.
I'm really excited to try.
All right, let's dig in.
Alright, I don't love barbecue sauce. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna try mine naked first.
Naked corn dog.
Mm-hmm. That's great. That's
So
fantastic.
good. The outside got nice and crispy.
Mm-hmm.
The inside's good and soft. Just
Nice
like
work.
I remember as a kid.
Yeah. We are just big kids sometimes.
That's
over
true.
Here.
This is one of those quick and easy ones that's
Literally.
quick and
Quick and
easy.
easy.
That
Yeah.
you can throw in in a matter of minutes. It's great if you're having kids over, like you were saying, for parties and all that kind of stuff. So you should definitely give this one a try.
If you do, let us know what you think. We always love to hear from you.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in. Check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone, griddles, accessories, seasonings, and more. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.